think he wins, huh?
I don't know. I had a good time. I'm in the best shape of my life, I say. I feel great. You know what I mean?
That's good, yeah.
And when you know you put your total being, every bit of inner person into your training, and to this day, you feel good no matter what. I feel good in that sense. Placing, I don't know. You know? All I know is I'm the best I can be right now. And that's it.
We'll see you later.
Okay.
In the neck doesn't have to deal with it.
No.
You want the neck to deal with it? It's perfect, the oil on the gun side. Everything's perfect. Perfect. Okay? On the underside, he knows.
No,
Leave it alone there. It looks empty there. I'm not steaming.
it's empty.
Okay, Danny Patella.
Dry.
Oh, this is good.
Everybody likes to be wanted and needed and appreciated and loved and all those things. Some people only have it in a limited way, you know, by just being loved by their family or by their children or by their brother or whatever, a wife. Some people like more than that. You know, I'm one of them. To me, it's always a great pleasure performing in front of a great audience. It really turns me on, and it's a real enjoyable thing, you know, when you see people enjoying what you do.
Okay, Arnold.
Exactly like it used to be. I mean, I got so turned on. It brought back so many great memories.
It's amazing when you
out of it for 5 years. You have to like learn all over again, every step, and which is a wonderful experience, of course, because it puts you right back where you belong, which is definitely not in the sky. But here
You put it together, Arnold. You put it together. And in 2 months, or 2 weeks, the last week...
2 months altogether.
Yeah.
All I wish that I could do is to have a time machine and just wind it to the front like an hour and a half, because then we know much more.
Yeah, I can tell you right now,
Right?
I know. There's one class of bodybuilder, and then there's your class.
How do you feel this time?
What do I feel this time? Hungry. Craving some food in general. Looking forward to tomorrow. And feel good about today.
I want an ice cream soda about that big. And a pizza pie. And what do you want, a bottle of wine?
I want a bottle of wine, bread, and cheese.
Cheese.
Bottle of wine, bread, and cheese, please, right now.
How did it feel up there?
It felt great. It was, I have heard throughout the whole day today that it's a very close contest. And, I want to make sure when it is that close that the last minute you put everything in that you have. And so that's what I did. I really had my friends, psych me up and told me that to be brutal and to get into it, just like in the old days. And so that's what I try to do, to get really into it and just pose and feel the audience. And if the audience likes one pose, to stay long at that pose. If the audience didn't like another pose, to just get out of it as fast as possible, and all those things. So it was like I came closer and closer to the old days.